Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn some basic Greek phrases that you can use in your everyday life. Our first phrase is
Καλημέρα.
which translates to good morning in English, and is a way to greet someone politely. Much like in English, you can use this phrase to politely greet someone whether you're in a cafe or passing by them on the street. If you want to ask how someone is doing, you say,
Τι κάνεις?
This translates to how are you? It's a common phrase used in casual conversations. Next up, if you want to say thank you, you say,
Ευχαριστώ.
If you're out shopping and want to ask how much something costs, you say,
Πόσο κάνει?
This translates to how much does it cost? It's a useful phrase to remember if you're planning to visit Greece. And finally, the word goodbye.
Αντίο.
And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases until they become second nature. You can find the notes for this lesson in the description below. Until next time, Antio.